You see it in your dreams. Sleek, red and roaring with a V8 Symphony. The Ferrari 458 is more than just a car, it's a statement, it's a head-turner, a heart-stopper, a legend on wheels. But before you remortgage your house, let's talk about the real cost of owning this Italian stallion. It's not just the sticker price that'll leave you speechless. Oh no, my friend, owning a Ferrari is a lifestyle, and like all high-end lifestyles, it comes with a price tag to match. But hey, who needs a retirement fund when you can have a 458, right? Let's break down the numbers, shall we? We'll explore everything from the initial purchase to the eye-watering maintenance costs. Buckle up, because things are about to get pricey. First things first, how much will this set you back up front? A used 458 will cost you somewhere between $180,000 to well over $300,000. Yes, you heard that right. And don't even get me started on the limited editions, those can reach astronomical figures. Condition, mileage and ownership history all play a part. A pristine, low-mileage example from a caring owner, be prepared to shell out top dollar. A bargain basement 458 with a questionable past? Well, you know what they say about cheap Ferraris. But remember, this is just the beginning. Owning a Ferrari is like joining an exclusive club, and the membership fees are ongoing. You wouldn't let a masterpiece go uninsured, would you? Well, insuring a 458 is like insuring a small country's GDP. Expect to pay a hefty premium, my friend. Factors like your age, driving history and location all come into play. Live in a high-risk area? Be prepared to cough up even more. And don't even think about skimping on coverage. One fender bender, and you'll be wishing you'd bought that insurance salesman a villa in Tuscany. Here's a newsflash. Ferraris require maintenance, and not the kind your local mechanic can handle. We're talking specialized technicians, imported parts, and labor costs that would make your eyes water. Expect regular servicing, and I'm not talking about an oil change every few thousand miles. We're talking major services every few years that can cost as much as a new hatchback. Then there are the consumables. Tires, don't even get me started on tires. Let's just say they're not your average rubber donuts. Section 5. Feeding the V8 beast fuel expenses. That glorious V8 engine doesn't run on hopes and dreams, my friend. It guzzles premium fuel like a thirsty camel at an oasis. And with fuel prices always on the rise, be prepared to shell out a small fortune at the pump. Of course, fuel efficiency isn't exactly a Ferrari's strong suit, but hey, who cares about miles per gallon when you're hitting 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, right? Just factor in a healthy fuel budget and try not to think about the environmental impact. Oh, you thought we were done? Think again. Don't forget about the wonderful world of taxes. Luxury vehicle taxes, registration fees, and all sorts of other governmental joys will lighten your wallet faster than you can say depreciation. And then there's parking. Good luck finding a secure spot for your prized possession. You'll probably end up paying for a private garage, adding another hefty sum to your monthly expenses. It all adds up, doesn't it? Now let's talk about making this beauty your own. Want custom paint? Be prepared to shell out tens of thousands. Fancy some carbon fiber bits and bobs? That'll be another few grand, thank you very much. From upgraded sound systems to personalized interiors, the customization options are endless, and so is the potential to drain your bank account. But hey, who wants a standard Ferrari, right? It's all about making it your own, even if it means selling a kidney. So let's tally it all up, shall we? The purchase price is just the tip of the iceberg. Factor in insurance, maintenance, fuel, taxes, and all the other bits and bobs, and you're looking at an eye-watering sum. Owning a Ferrari 458 is not for the faint of heart or the light of wallet. It's a commitment, a financial black hole that will suck up your cash faster than you can say arrivederci. But for those who can afford it, it's an experience like no other. The thrill of the open road, the envy of your neighbors, the sheer joy of owning a piece of automotive art. Owning a Ferrari 458 is more than just owning a car. It's an emotional investment. It's a statement, a dream come true, a passport to a world of exclusivity and adrenaline. But it's also a responsibility, a financial commitment that requires careful consideration before you take the plunge Make sure you're prepared for the long haul, because owning a Ferrari is not just about the destination. It's about enjoying every single mile of the journey. So there you have it, the real cost of owning a Ferrari. 458, is it worth it? That's a question only you can answer.